Right, we're in the Nippa. Going to go and see if we can get some milk. Let's go and see how this drive goes. I did make a point of checking with the petrol station that they actually have milk, and they do, so that's good. Just go and grab a bottle, just make sure I can have my morning brew tomorrow as I'm getting the magazine ready for print. Almost over Classic Jaguar, and I can actually have a bit of time off. Vehicles coming the other way, that's always encouraging. Here's where things start getting a bit more interesting. There's been a lot of clearing going on here. Oh gosh, look at the state of this. So even on the winter tyres, because the Nippa has no power steering, I can really feel the steering go light, which tells me I haven't got very much grip. Oh, we've actually got the snowblower in front of us by the look of it. So we're slowing down because the snowblower is actually on the road on this stretch. And there we go. Snow blowing. These ruts aren't designed for Nippas. Yeah, I don't think I'll be going over the splash road today. There's not really a road there, is there? Oh dear. Bit of tree destruction going on down here. Blimey. drift land again. Who needs a Land Rover? Biggest problem with a little Nippa is it doesn't really fit in the ruts that everyone else makes, because it is so narrow. Guys, this is going to be fun if I meet someone coming back the other way, isn't it? I'm in a convoy of 4x4s at the moment. I've got an Isuzu behind me, this Land Rover in front of me still. Take it easy over that bit. But we've made it through! Hurrah! Oh, slippy. Morning.
You might be better off waiting for a minute. I think it's going to blow that last bit out for
That's
you.
alright, I'll go through that.
Yeah.
Lucky little Nippa makes it through. Well done, little Nippa. And there we go, we're back home. A slightly entertaining drive, but we have milk. Importantly for George, we have biscuits. So our day will not go terribly wrong after all. So there you go, just a little quick snowy drive. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I shall see you again in a future video. Farewell.